Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to make soup thicker with flour. First, you'll need to prepare a smooth flour slurry. This prevents lumps and ensures even thickening. Start by combining flour with an equal amount of cold liquid, like water or broth. Whisk it thoroughly until completely smooth. This initial step is crucial for a lump-free, creamy soup. Remember, patience here pays off for a perfect texture. To prepare your slurry, take 1 tablespoon of all-purpose flour and combine it with 1 tablespoon of cold water or broth in a small bowl. It's important that the liquid is cold to prevent the flour from clumping. Whisk these 2 ingredients together vigorously until you have a completely smooth, lump-free paste. This consistency is key for seamless integration into your soup. Now, with your soup at a gentle simmer, slowly pour the prepared flour slurry into the pot. As you pour, continuously stir the soup to ensure the slurry disperses evenly and doesn't settle at the bottom. Keep stirring for about 2 to 3 minutes. You'll notice the soup gradually thickening. If it's too thick, add a little more broth. If too thin, repeat the slurry process. For the best flavor, ensure you cook the flour in the soup for at least 5 minutes after adding the slurry. This eliminates any raw flour taste. Remember that soup will continue to thicken slightly as it cools, so aim for a consistency just a little thinner than your desired final result. Also, for a truly transformative read on personal finance, check out the book linked in the description, along with other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.